everyone, hope you all are well. Today I want to say something little about one particular plant in my garden, and this is it. Yes, it is called boko boko in my local dialect. Yes, as you can see, this very plant. If you are someone who have been invited for a program and you aren't sure as to whether the food is poisoned or something, whenever you are leaving, just take one leaf, chew it, and drink water and go. Yes, because of its poisonous properties in there. Whenever you are even poisoned with the food, because you have chewed the plant, it's not going to work. Yes, it is very, 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 very good. As you can see, I have a lot of them in my garden. I have so many medicinal plants. I have this very flower also here. I have aloe vera, so many plants here. And look at this very plant too. Yes, it is very medicinal for kids. I have aloe vera and so many other things. I also have spinach. I have a lot of plants here, both for food and also for medicinal properties. Yes, that is the most important why we all need to what? Have a backyard garden. Thank you so much for watching. It's bye for now.